Hey friends, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. So on this video today, I'm going to teach you on how to make these bread buns. Yeah, we call it mbadume in Nigeria back then. So this is popular Nigerian snack. So first of all, in a bowl, you are going to activate your yeast if you are using active yeast. But if you are using instant yeast, you're just going to go ahead and mix it in the flour. So first of all, we're going to activate this yeast by adding 1 tablespoon in a bowl and a 1 cup of milk and a 1 tablespoon of sugar. Keep it aside and allow it to proof. In another bowl, get your bowl and add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you sieve it very well. Then go ahead and measure 4 cups. So I use 4 cups for this recipe I'm teaching you right now. So follow the direction if you want to get exactly my texture. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and then half tablespoon of salt, and then go ahead and then put nutmeg to your taste. So I'm grating nutmeg inside it now. Go ahead and turn your mixture very well. Okay, so after turning, go ahead and add your sugar. I added 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want it to be very sweet, I don't like sugary things, so that's why I added 1/4 cup of sugar. So if you want it to be very sweet, you can go ahead and add up to half cup or 1 cup. That means it's going to be very sugary. Yeah, so go ahead and start mixing your dough with that the yeast we have approved. So remember, the milk was 1 cup, so we're going to add more water to it. You have to be adding the water gradually, so you're not going to add it at once. So what I use is about 1.5 cup of water into this. So don't add all the water at once. You have to be adding and shaking your texture. Okay, it's not going to be too soft, not too hard. So clean up your working surface and sprinkle some flowers and bring your dough down to it and start kneading it. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. If you remember, you can add your butter to your flour before adding your liquid, but because I didn't add that, so that's why I added my butter to the dough. Go ahead and add your butter and then knead it. I added 1 tablespoon of butter. You're going to knead this for about 5 minutes to 8 minutes. Yeah, knead it very well. Knead it so that everything will combine very, very well. And after you knead it, it's not going to be sticking anymore. So that is when you know you have kneaded it very well. Go ahead and return it to your bowl and cover it. If your bowl doesn't have a cover, you can use kitchen cloth to cover it. Now keep it and allow it to stay for 30 minutes to 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Now it has softened. Go ahead and cut your dough and start kneading it. Okay, so I cut it so that it will be easier for me to knead because it's big. So I cut it into two, then start kneading it. When you knead, you fold. So there is something we say cut and fold. So you knead and you fold it inside. You knead. You have to do it so that the you get the texture of the snack we are making. So you need to fold it. Okay, you have to fold it inside several times. When you fold, you knead again. You fold, you knead, you fold, you knead until you get, yeah, see, this is what I'm doing. So you have to go this process for you to be able to get the thickness of the snack we are making. Okay, so you don't just go on. If you do not fold it this way, you're going to be making shin shin, not bread buns anymore. So you have to fold, knead and fold, knead and fold to get the thickness. So after that, use your pizza cutter or a knife, anyone, whichever one you have, to cut it. Go ahead and cut it into squares. Okay, you can make your own smaller or bigger. So this is the size I make my own. So go ahead and sprinkle flour on a tray and put it inside it. And then this is how you're going to do the second one, the one we cut out before. So you're going to continue the process like this. The previous one, go ahead. So as you can see, I already cut this one. Go ahead and cover it. Then put your oil on the stove and allow it to heat a little bit. Don't allow your oil to be too hot. Okay, if your oil is too hot, it's gonna done very fast and the inside will not be done. Remember, we fold it. is layered like three layered or four layered. Yeah, the inside is very thick, so you have to use mild hot oil. Don't use too much oil, and make sure you lower your stove, your gas, whatever one you are using to make it, or your firewood. Make sure the fire is not too the heat is not too high. Okay, it's going to be very low so that it can be able to heat the inside will be done very well. Okay, yeah, so go ahead and continue the processing and fry all your mbadume all your bread buns. Okay, yeah, so this is it, guys. So make sure you like this video, share to your loved ones, and subscribe as well. Okay, and come back again to watch our other videos. Bye bye, have a great